Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the phrasal verbs carry on and put off. Remember that a phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both. Now typically their meaning is not obvious from the meanings of the individual words themselves. Now, to carry on has several meanings. Let's have a look at those meanings. A. To carry on doing something or to carry on with something means to continue doing something. Have a look at the examples below. Sorry, I interrupted you. Carry on, please. You'll put on weight if you carry on eating fast food. I want to carry on with my business idea. Continue doing something. B. To carry on means to continue moving. Have a look at the example below. Carry straight on until you see the red building. Continue moving. C. To carry on something means to do or take part in a particular kind of work or activity. Have a look at the example over here. It was so noisy there that it was difficult for us to carry on a conversation. D. In spoken language, to carry on about means to speak with overwhelming enthusiasm. Have a look at the example over here. I wish my friends would stop carrying on about their trip. Speaking with overwhelming enthusiasm about the trip. Now, to put off also has several meanings. Let's have a look at those meanings. A. To put something off or to put off doing something means to delay doing something or to arrange to do something at a later time or date, especially because there is a problem or you do not want to do it at that time. Have a look at the examples over here. The game has been put off until tomorrow because of bad weather. Delayed because of bad weather. I've been putting off working on my thesis because I'm never in the mood. Delaying. B. To put somebody off or put somebody off doing something means to make you dislike something or not want to do something. Have a look at the examples below. Don't let his humor put you off. He's a nice guy, actually. I don't want my fears put you off finding a job in another state. C. To put somebody off means to make someone wait because you do not want to meet them, talk to them, etc. until later. Have a look at the example over here. If my brother calls, put him off as long as possible. Make him wait as long as possible. D. To put somebody off something means to make it difficult for someone to pay attention to what they are doing by talking, making a noise, etc. Have a look at the example over here. It puts me off when you're listening to music while I'm talking, meaning it makes it difficult for me to pay attention while I'm talking. Here is a short story using the phrasal verbs carry on and put off. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Can you carry on a project together with Alice? I'd rather work alone. There's something about her that puts me off. What are you talking about? She's the nicest person I've ever met. Well, maybe this is exactly what puts me off. I can't carry on a conversation with her, She is constantly carrying on about random things. Sorry, but you have to carry on with it. We can't put off this whole project because of that.